what are best resources for MCAT preparation? So when we're talking about MCAT preparation, what we advise our students is, how did you prepare for the SAT or the ACT? What generally works for you when you are prepping for standardized tests? Are you a good self-studier? Are you better off when you're taking a course and it's a very structured course? Do you do well with one-on-one tutoring? We find that most premedical students do best in MCAT prep in one of two ways. They either take a course, whether that is a self-paced course or whether that is a live course, and that gives the student some structure in terms of making sure that they're reviewing the content that they need to review, and that they are taking standardized, the practice tests in the right pattern, in the right way, to track their progress. So most students, I would say, take courses. We recommend the biggest courses out there, the ones that have been around for the longest time. The MCAT was last revised, changed in 2015, so that's a long time ago. Things have not changed in a while, so generally students are taking Kaplan or Princeton Review. We recommend students be wary of newer courses because they're not time tested. I can also tell you sometimes the question writers at these newer courses are not all that informed, so you want to go with a time-tested course. And then there are some students who self-study very effectively. They typically will use the Kaplan books. That's the most popular resource if you're self-studying. And then, of course, they're incorporating UWorld questions. UWorld is very, very popular for MCAT questions. And they're incorporating AAMC tests. Those should be used sparingly and carefully, because those are the only real tests that are put out by the testing administrator